Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check notifications on Android. So it's really simple and easy. There are a lot of ways to do it. For this, first of all, we just have to open our settings in our Android phone, and then if you scroll down a little bit, you can see this notification and status bar. Just tap on it and now you can see your notifications like in the lock screen, floating notifications and badges, or you can go for this app notifications, or you can allow all the notifications. You just have to make sure that all these notifications are allowed, and you can go for this notification style as well, like how you want your notifications to be appear. So that is the way to check your notifications on Android. Or if you want a specific app notifications, what you can do is, let's say I'm going for this Instagram application, just tap and hold on it, go for this info, and then scroll down and tap on this notifications, and you have to make sure that all the notifications are allowed, like notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen notifications. All these notifications are allowed. So that's how you can check notifications on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.